Hello to the AllBoogie community. Louis again, here from Seller Support. And this time I am recording a video for you to explain in a little more detail how the stock works. So you could call it advanced stock management or intermediary stock management if you like. We've had a few messages in on Seller Support about managing stock on variable products. So I'm going to record a video here that explains what some of the options mean and how to be effective with managing your stock. So I'm going to use this product actually, which I've used for some of the other videos, and I'm going to change it slightly. I'm actually going to make this into a t-shirt test t-shirt for stock. And I'm just going to save that first. Great. So, simple products are easy, right? There's just one type of product. It's either in stock or it's not. Stock levels. So, simple products, yeah, easy. You've either got it in stock or you haven't. You can either, and you can choose whether to manage the stock. And if there's just one type, you can say that we've got 10 in stock. Low stock threshold is, when to advise that we've got low stock, and allow back orders. You either do allow people to back order, or you don't, or you do and let them know that it's on back order. That's quite simple and straightforward. So if you've got 10 t-shirts in stock, when it hits 5, it's going to say low stock. When it says 0, it's either going to continue to allow people to buy them, continue to allow them to buy them and let them know that it's on a back order, or simply say out of stock. It gets slightly more complicated when we use variable products. So on a variable product, we have things like small, medium and large, or red, green and blue t-shirts, which gives rise to more than one stock level, because you might have them in stock in blue and medium, but not in yellow or green and small, for example. So once you hit variable, this becomes slightly redundant because you haven't got just an overall stock level. So I'm just going to set up some attributes anyway, and create these variations, which I've done in a previous video. So you should be able to follow this with me. But if we say add attribute here, and we're going to say red, green, blue for our color attributes. That's what's available, and we're going to use that for variations. Then we're going to add size, small, medium, large. I'm going to save that. We've now got our attributes, our attributes are all saved. We then need to create our variations from the attributes. Now, because we've got small, medium and large and red, green and blue, that's 9 different combinations of product that will need to be created. So if we say create variations, hit go, it's going to give us a little warning. Here you go. Are you sure you want to link all the variations? This will create a new variation for each and every possible combination of these various variation attributes, which we've calculated to be 9, which is 3 times 3, 3 variations added. Okay, so something's gone wrong here. Blue, green, and red. Oh yeah, I didn't tick that. So you make sure that it says use for variation. I'm going to delete all those variations just very quickly and start again. Had I have set any of those settings in there, then it would remove all of those. So it does double check with you twice, actually, as you just saw. But right, so I've now hit use for variations, create variations from all attributes. Okay, and it should say now 9. Okay, 3 variations added. Something's happened. I know what's happened. It's good because I'm sure some of you guys will hit the same issues. I'm just going to delete those again. Yes, and I'm sure. Right, I didn't hit save after I hit use for variations, so I'm just going to let those go. Save that attribute there. Cool, and then create variations. I'm going to eat my hat if this says 3 again. 9, great. Okay, cool. I haven't got to eat a hat. So these 9 variations are blue in small, medium, and large, green in small, medium, and large, and red in small, medium, and large. Now, if we go up to enable product stock management, you then go down to the variation and click anywhere in this bar here. There's a button here that says manage stock. So this means we're going to manage the stock for this variation at variation level. And if you don't do that, there's no stock here. It all relies on the figure that we used at the top. But if you hit that, you then have the option to fill in a stock quantity here and the choice of whether to allow people to continue buying them after you run out of stock. So you might take orders before you make them. It may be that you don't actually carry any stock, in which case you can say naught, but that you allow back orders, or you allow, but you let customers know that it's on back order. But you do need to, if you're managing stock at a variation or product variation level, which is here, you need to make sure that you filled in that box there. So we've got blue and small. You need to ensure that you put the price in, or it won't show up, and you need to put the stock in at this level, and whether you're going to allow back orders here. If you're finding that things are saying they're out of stock, it is most likely that you either haven't filled out the price or the stock quantity, or set this back orders to be the correct setting. And that is the root of the majority of our inquiries, to be honest. If you follow those instructions, everything should work fine. There are 9 here. You do need to go into each of them and set your stock levels. If you get some new, if you get a new batch of stock, just go into each of these and making sure they're updated to reflect the correct level of stock that you've got in your warehouse or in your storage facility, and then your store will allow people to buy what you actually have in stock. So you just need to keep on top of this when you get new deliveries, basically. All right. There you go. Our advice generally would be, as a little extra tip, would be to allow back orders but notify the customers. Always best to let them know what's happening so they're not left waiting, but also you don't want to turn down any potential sales. So if it's something that you are getting produced, we would always say allow back orders but notify the customer. Anyway, I hope this video has been helpful. Please, if you do run into any problems, just email us at sellersupport@allboogie.co.uk and we will do our best to assist you and guide you through the setup process. Good luck, Godspeed, enjoy the rest of your day, and I shall see you soon.